My name is Nicola Bradbear and I run the organisation Bees for Development. I really like the fact that you had so many young people from around the region who are really well informed and aware and concerned about the issues. So we had so many conversations around all different topics but relevant to the many issues that they're facing. My topic is bees and beekeeping, and honey is nice and all those products are nice, but the most important benefit of bees is that they pollinate our plants. So we kept having these lovely ethnobotany breaks where everybody had brought treats from their home country that they talked about and explained. So it was kind of fantastic brain food in a way, just learning so much about each other's cultures and the problems that are in common and the problems unique to different places. Very fabulous week. It's more and more important really that we all meet each other and meet people from different cultures, and it makes a big difference when you know somebody from a region or from a nation. You think of that person and you understand something about them. It's not just a vague idea about the country, but you really know people who come from there and who share things in common with you, and you can relate to their situation and their experiences. It's really important, and I think it's lovely that all these young people are doing that. When I was a student, we were so constricted, we didn't exchange so much with other cultures. And this experience is enriching them a lot. They will go home so much more informed about the issues and about the other people they've met. I think it's a fabulous learning experience for them.